Hello, welcome to my YouTube video. This is Abiodun Mustafa. I hope you're fine. I hope you're doing pretty well watching this video. Okay, so today we will be looking at something very important. If you're a content creator, you're a YouTuber, you're a blogger, you love to write amazing topics on social media, and you really want to inspire people, impact people, and make a lot of income for yourself by discussing and treating all topics. This video would really help you. But before I go into the video, if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so please, I'm begging you, please go well to the subscription button right now and subscribe. Go to the subscription button right now and subscribe. Now, I'm actually doing this video because when I did my previous video on how to record your first episode with your smartphone, how to record your first podcast episode with your smartphone, and also when I did a session on how to publish your podcast episodes using Anchor to Spotify to Google and to Apple. Yeah, I got this response. People asking, how do I even know what to talk about? How do I know even what to share? How do I even know what to discuss? How do I know what to say on my podcast? So I will be showing you the very simple ways to really know what topics people want to listen to. I put dot dot dot. So probably people want to listen to on your podcast, people want to listen to on your live session, whether it's Instagram live, Facebook live. People want to watch on your YouTube channel. People want to just listen to. All right. So how do you know what topics people want to listen to? Now, before I really go deep down into practical things you can do, number one thing you must really understand is you must know what industry or what area or what point you want to build influence in. Probably you are considering personal development, you are considering finance, you are considering talking about skill sets, you're considering talking about digital skill, digital productivity, or you're considering talking about fashion, you want to talk about lifestyle. Now, there's a way to really know all topics, and while you're thinking of those all topics, you should consider niche. All right, what niche are you trying to talk about? Are you talking about business? Are you talking about education? Are you talking about social media? Are you talking about? So you must understand what niche you're trying to talk about. When you understand your niche, then you can begin to look out for topics that are available in that area. All right. So how do you know all topics people want to listen to? The number one place to go to is Google. The number one place to go to is Google. The issue sometimes is people do not know how to really utilize Google in finding the top topics that people are really looking for. If, for example, I want to know a particular topic that people are asking about, probably how to say, for example, how to start a podcast in 2021. Now, what do I need to do? I need to really search if it's something people are looking for. So I go to the search field and begin to type how to start a podcast. I see all of those suggestions, so I can see how to start a podcast in Nigeria, how to start a podcast on Spotify, how to start a podcast on YouTube, how to start a podcast on Apple, how to start a podcast on Android, how to start a podcast with your phone, how to start a podcast on Google Podcast, how to start a podcast on your iPhone. So these are different searches that people are making on Google. You can choose to pick each of these things and run a particular topic on them. All right. You can choose to say, okay, how to start a podcast in Nigeria. You can do a lot of research on it, and then you begin to really find what has been said about it. You can tweak it to your own idea, to your own form, and then probably to the kind of audience that you're speaking to. So you have this topic. Now, maybe you want to ask how to make money online. Now, these are diverse things: how to make money online, how to make money online in Nigeria, how to make money online without paying anything, okay, how to make money on YouTube, how to make money on Facebook. So these are diverse topics that you can choose to talk about and make each of them an episode on your podcast. If, for example, you are into fashion, um you could say you want to find the topic how to dress how to dress. Now you can see I have all of those topics: how to dress well as a lady, how to dress classy, how to dress for an interview, how to dress classy with jeans, how to dress for an interview male. Okay, so you can do all of that. So this is one way to really utilize Google to get a lot and lot and lot of topics. Now, number two thing you can do is you can also make use of YouTube. All right, you can make use of YouTube. Let's say, for example, I want to go on YouTube to really search. So you can go on YouTube. Now, when you open that YouTube channel, you can simply come to the search screen and begin to search how to, um, let's say, how to make 1 million. All right, so you can see how to make $1 million in 1 year. Now, this is what you can do. Okay, you want to say probably how to make 1 million naira in a month. Now you begin to search what are certain things that have been said. You then begin to look out for the number of views. All right, number of views. All right, is this topic really something people are really watching? If you find out it's not something people are really watching, okay, you can see how to make money online in Nigeria 2021. So these are 25,000 views, about 25,000 views. Okay, so you can begin to look out for that, and then so you look at topics that have generated so many views in the area. So this is another one: how to make money in Nigeria. I made my first 1 million naira. So these are diverse ways to know how to structure your topic and things that people are looking out for. Okay, the things that people are looking out for. So you begin to look at that. You begin to look at that, and then you start searching one after the other. So maybe you want to look at, okay, how to know the gender of your, all right, how to know the gender of your baby without scan. Okay, you can see diverse topics. Let's see how much search you have for this. All right, 18K, 1 million views. How to know the gender of your baby naturally in pregnancy, 1 million views. So this is like an hot topic. This is another one: gender test at home, solve gender test, and all of that. So you begin to know diverse topics people are looking out for, and you know whether you want to write about it, you want to create a video, or you want to push it out as a podcast. Okay, you can even diverse topics that you will be surprised of, maybe how to pass an exam successfully. So, see the views, just 10 things you should never do before examination, 3.3 million. This is another one, 97 million. So, that's one way to really find hot topics. Okay. Now, another thing you can do is you can make use of answerthepublic.com. Answerthepublic.com. So, how do you make use of answerthepublic.com? Easily, you can just come in here, type your topic. All right, you can type your topic. Maybe you want to ask something on how to grow, all right, how to build the right mindset. So you begin to search what are people asking around mindsets. You'll begin to see them. So answerthepublic.com will give you diverse options and give you diverse things that you can make as your topic. So it's trying to pull them out. So I'll see a lot of them: how to build the right mindset, how to develop the right mindset, how to have the right mindset, how to have the right mindset. So I see all of those topics: how to build the right mindset, how to build the right mindset, how to develop the right mindset. So you can begin to see a lot of those topics, and then you can turn them into a podcast episode. All right. Another thing, I hope you're getting value. So another thing you can use, you can make use of Answer Socrates. AnswerSocrates.com. AnswerSocrates.com. Okay. AnswerSocrates.com. So you come to the topic text field, and then you can type your area of interest. Probably you want to come here and type relationship. Okay, what country do you think? So probably a lot of your audience are from Nigeria, or maybe let's say a lot of your audience are, for example, Algeria, and then you want to search for what topics a lot of those people ask for. Okay, so we don't have search string for. So let's come to say America. Let's search. All right, all right, all right. Okay, we also don't have. So let's do Nigeria. Let's do Nigeria. So probably a lot of people are asking questions from Nigeria about relationship. Um, so let me make it more. Let me say relationship mistakes. All right. Let's say relationship mistakes. Let's see if we have questions around that. No, 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 no. Nigeria, Nigeria, Nigeria. So let me choose Nigeria. Choose Nigeria, Nigeria. Yeah. Then search. Sorry. Okay, so I have a lot of those questions. So how do relationship problems, how to avoid relationship problems, that could be a topic. How to deal with relationship problems, how to fix relationship problems, how to get over relationship problems. So we have them, how to not repeat relationship mistakes, how to learn from relationship mistakes, how to get over relationship mistakes. So there are a lot of topics you can begin to pick out from here. Relationship mistakes, and all of that. So these are diverse searches that people are making on relationship mistakes. Okay, now number five. Hold on a sec. Number five way to look for all topics that people want to listen to. Number five way to look for all topics people want to listen to is to go on Amazon Kindle. All right, so go to on Amazon Kindle. On Amazon Kindle, you can begin to check out for books. What are the most read books? Okay, so we have looked at Google, most asked questions, YouTube, most watched videos, most asked questions on Answer the Public, on AnswerSocrates.com, and then we can then try Amazon Kindle. Okay, Amazon. Let me just go to Amazon Bookstore. So let me make use of Amazon Bookstore, and then I can just type a particular topic, and then you can help me search out. Say, for example, I want to talk on sales. Let me say sales, for example. So I want to check out on book on sales. So the qualified sales leader. Okay, these are the most read book. Majorly bestsellers, the challenger sales, straight line selling, all right, master the art of persuasion, influence, and success. So you can create a topic from that and say how to master the art of persuasion to sell massively, okay, or how to master the art of influence for massive sale. So you look for best-selling books, sales secrets. All right, that's a particular book, sales secrets. The world's top sales people share their secrets to success. So, from reading some of those books, you can look at the topic, the chapters, and then you can begin to extract different topics from them. So, those are really simple ways to get all topics that people want to listen to. So, number one way is use the Google search string, search options. Number two is the most watched videos on YouTube. Number three is answerthepublic.com. Number four is answersocrates.com. And number five, you can also listen on Amazon. So I hope you got so much value from this video, and then you already know diverse topics you can begin to come up with on your podcast. So please do well to like this video. By liking this video, you give it more attraction, and you allow more people to be able to watch this video and learn. Please also do well to drop a comment if you got so much value from this video. Like, it lets me know that I'm really offering value to you. And also, please, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe. I celebrate you and I wish you all the best till I come your way again on my next video. Do well to remain phenomenal and start dishing out value by sharing odd topics. Bye bye. Please subscribe. Cheers.